Kevin Anthony Moochie Corcoran was an American child actor, television director and film producer. He appeared in numerous Disney projects between 1957 and 1963, frequently as an irrepressible character with the nickname Moochie. One of 8 children, most of whom did some acting in the late 1950s to early 1960s, Corcoran was the sibling whose work is best remembered. His father, William Bill Corcoran Sr., was a police officer and then director of maintenance at Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer Studios. Corcoran's mother, the former Kathleen McKenney, was, like her husband, a native of Quincy, Massachusetts. Between 1956 and 1960, Corcoran played several different characters, each bearing the nickname Moochie. Although he was never a Mouseketeer, Corcoran appeared in 3 Mickey Mouse Club serials, beginning with Adventure in Dairyland, where he played Moochie McCandless, a farmer's son. This was the first of Corcoran's many Disney credits. He soon returned as Montgomery O'Hara in 2 Spin and Marty serials, The Further Adventures of Spin and Marty and The New Adventures of Spin and Marty. Corcoran appeared in a Mouseketeer outfit with the name Moochie across his chest just once. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.